Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can export your account data from the Mega app. So let us guide you through this. So guys, if this doesn't work through the desktop app, you will need to navigate to the web version of the Mega app and then navigate to your account settings here in the top right and select settings here. Next, what you want to do guys is click into the security tab here on the left hand side. From there, scroll down. And what you want to do here, guys, is click into download next to download your personal data. And then, guys, you will see this zip file downloaded to your device with the file size. And then it will contain the file metadata and every data you need to know about your account, excluding, of course, the files and folders stored, right? So it's not that you download your entire storage, but only the metadata here, right? So that's the difference, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.